how to turn off dark mode on your iPhone. So if you're someone that doesn't want dark mode anymore, it's very easy to go about and change this. So go ahead to your settings and you just want to scroll down until you find where it says display and brightness. And from here, it's very easy just to go ahead and hit the light option. And as you see, it turns to light mode. Another thing you can do is make sure that you turn off your automatic toggle here. That means that it will not automatically switch back and forth depending on the time of day. So this way it will just stay on light mode if that's your preference. Another thing we can do, and as you see, all of the apps are still in dark mode. So if you want to change those to actual light mode as well, so you can go ahead and click and hold on an empty space on your iPhone, and you want to hit the edit option at the top left-hand corner, and then go to customize. From here, we want to choose the default setting, and that's going to turn all of your apps back into light mode. Those will stay. And that's it. It's super simple and super easy to turn off dark mode on your iPhone. It is important to know that certain apps will have their own internal setting, so you may have to go through and change your actual settings on your apps to make sure those are also on light mode.